Hello, everyone. It is Monday, the 3rd of July, 2023. It's your good friend Jack here, and we're back again with another Wax Daily video. Once again, these videos are sponsored by EOS Dublin and Wax School, and I appreciate all the response that we've gotten for the previous videos. Yeah, much appreciated. So, like I said, today is Monday. It is the 3rd of July, 23. And we have just one drop here noted on the Atomic Hub drop calendar, and that's for Elemental Hunters. Elemental Hunters is a play to earn game on Wax. Has quite a few features. Looks pretty good. And the fifth workshop Dutch auction is on today for these guys. Looks pretty good. And if it's a project you've checked out before, let us know what you think in the comments below. A few more notable drops we have as well as Nifty Kicks are obviously continuing their land and military facility crate drops today. And I think that continues throughout the week. And we also have Nova Pangea with Chapter 2 story packs as well. And these, I think, are similar to the drops they had last week. It's just a continuation of those drops this week. We also have RadaQuest. RadaQuest is a trading card strategy game that's on Wax, on the Wax blockchain. And they're holding round 2 of campaign 4 today at 12 UTC. So definitely one to check out. If you're interested in RadaQuest, head on over to radaquest.net. And then last but not least, we're going to talk about Wax Bulls Swag Club. So this is a project that I saw there last week. Kind of caught my attention with the fact that you would be the 100% owner of the artwork. No royalties would have to be paid if you used your bull or the bull that you mint and is in your wallet anywhere else, whether that's games, merch, that kind of thing, which is a pretty cool feature. And they're kicking off that PFP mint today, where you can get a bull. And then you can also, once you have a bull, participate in shaping the project's future, which looks to be another cool feature as well. So you can decide what happens with secondary market fees and other decisions that will come down the line for the project itself. So you'd go ahead and mint the bull, and then after all the bulls are minted or the minting window is closed, then you would actually be able to see what traits you have and who has rarer traits. So it doesn't actually, the rarity of each trait doesn't actually be announced until after the minting is closed. Yeah, so fingers crossed that one goes better than Azuki did. Different blockchain, I know, but still worthy of a mention. And I think the PFP drop is on nfthive.io today. So if this loads up, you'll see it there. I think it's starting in a few hours. Probably going to grab one myself. Maybe I'll show it to everyone on the video tomorrow. So while that's loading there, I just want to say thanks again to everyone who's watched the videos, who are watching or who watches the videos on a daily basis. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, do what you can. These videos are sponsored by Wax School and EOS Dublin. So yeah, there it is there, $2.99 USD to mint a Wax Bull. Not an awful lot, so definitely worth doing if you have a bit of wax there. Yeah, thanks everyone. We'll talk to you again soon, and wax on.